Once I lived by the sea, where storms often threatened our home. I noticed how the mangroves along the shore stood firm, their roots gripping the earth tightly. Inspired, I planted more mangroves, creating a natural barrier. Over time, the erosion slowed, and our land remained safe. Mangroves not only protect the coast, but also provide a habitat for marine life. Embrace nature's wisdom and plant mangroves to shield your shores. Witness the power of nature's guardians and let them inspire you to protect our planet. Like, comment, and subscribe for more stories like this.